and welcome everyone. And today we are delicious Börek recipe, flaky Yufka pastry with cheese filling. 3 filo pastry. Fold and cut 3 sheets of filo pastry. Place the filo pastry into a deep bowl. 2 filo pastry. Three eggs. 1 cup of vegetable oil. 1½ cups of milk. Mix the ingredients together. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 can of plain soda. Grease the baking dish and spread half of the filo pastry on the bottom. Drizzle a few spoonfuls of the liquid mixture over it. 250 grams of cottage cheese. 250 grams of cheddar cheese. After adding the cheese, cover with the remaining filo pastry. Drizzle the remaining liquid mixture over the filo pastry. Let the Börek rest for 40 minutes. Bake in a 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for 45 minutes. Slice the Börek and serve. Enjoy to those who try it!